Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining Outdoors with Alan. And today we're going to do a video with step number 2 of our lawn renovation. And step number 1, you know that we went through and we killed all the old grass and weeds with glyphosate. So we sprayed the yard. In fact, we did it twice to get a good kill on the yard. Well, today what we're going to be doing is preparing the seed bed. And one of the tools that I'm going to use in preparing the seed bed is a brand new 60-inch tiller. I ordered it from Everything Attachments. It's a TerraForce. It's the YJR 062. And so never had it in the dirt, so this will be the first time that these tines, that's pretty good, will have hit the dirt, and we'll start preparing the soil. So we're going to see how it does, so I hope you'll stay joined. We'll have to do some other things too, but we're going to start with this. So again, thanks for joining, and stick with us, and we're going to till up some ground. Okay, it was long about here that I realized that I just wasn't getting the depth that I wanted, so I decided to go ahead and move these skids to the middle hole. I had it set for about 2 inches, and after getting off the tractor and kind of kicking the dirt back, I just felt like I needed it to go a little deeper. So pretty simple adjustment. Pull the bolt out and slide it to the middle pin, and put the bolt back in, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. Of course, I had to do it for both sides. I was pretty happy with how easy it was to make this adjustment. Seemed to work really good. So as I get it tightened back up here and everything, we're gonna get back to tilling, and it's that middle pin gives me about the oh, I would say about 4 inches, which is really good for the application of what I'm doing here, trying to get this seed bed created. Wasn't actually even planning on doing this today, but to be honest, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, Monday, and also on Tuesday, and I'm off this week, and so I wanted to be here a good 5 days where I could do the watering myself and didn't have to rely on a timer and everything, that I could kind of baby it for a week. So anyway, I'm going ahead and doing it today. So I hope my neighbors don't mind. They know I'm a little crazy anyway, so we're gonna get back to tilling. So you can see it's doing a pretty good job right here. A good test with the mic. See if you can pick up everything. Kind of back up and split those 2 rows, make sure I got them real good. I think the ground is about perfect. It could be a little moist, but we've had so much rain that, and really with the calling for rain tomorrow, it's not going to get any better than this, so I think this might be a good opportunity. Probably gonna have to go back around all the edges with a little small hand tiller. Although if I get a little more practice with this, I should be able to get about everything. These curves are where it gets a little tricky. So we're figuring it out. Yeah, we're figuring it out. Now we'll switch to the landscape rake. You'll see it in just a second. And we're gonna go ahead and run over this, pull out any sticks or roots, rocks, and really kind of get it down to a little bit smoother. Usually it is. Gets it smooth. Actually, they make landscape rakes with what they call gauge wheels, which I really wish I had that, because that then it starts acting like a grader, like a motor grader. But anyway, this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. But it looks like it's working well. I'll probably have some excess dirt or whatever. Kind of hard to avoid that. Drag it back the other way and not go down as far and leave a little of that dirt that way. Time lapse and just let you enjoy seeing it get smoothed out. Well, that's two things we've used. We've used the tiller and we've used the landscape rake. I don't know if the video picked it up or not, because my battery ran out when I was doing the time lapse. But one of the things that I've been doing with my landscape rake is I'll run through the yard with it turned around where it's scraping sort of with the tractor. And then after I kind of get that somewhat level, I'll take it and spin it all the way around so the landscape rake is backwards, and so the back side of the tines are dragging. And then what I'll do is go in a circular motion or figure eight, or basically just all around different ways. And what that does is it tends to kind of press the dirt down a little bit, but it doesn't drag so much stuff up anymore, so that you can kind of once you get it somewhat level, it just sort of refines it a little bit more. But anyway, we're kind of running out of time. We need to go back and work on the edges with a little small hand tiller, and no matter how hard you try, you always have to pull out the regular landscape rake, that the manual one, the ones you do with your hands. So anyway, we'll be back in the morning. We're hoping it won't rain as much as they're calling for. That's why we went ahead and did this today. But anyway, I'm gonna kind of pan around and show you it's pretty smooth, and so we're getting very close. Tomorrow hopefully we can get the edges done and a little hand raking done, and get ready to put down the seats. So thank you for staying with us, and we'll be back in the morning.